IKEA's Fall 2024 collection embraces the season's essence, blending functionality, coziness, and bold design to transform homes for the colder months. Known for its versatile, minimalist, and affordable solutions, IKEA's newest collection incorporates the warmth and charm of fall through creative designs, natural-inspired textiles, and multifunctional furniture pieces. This collection is perfect for those looking to refresh their space with affordable yet stylish solutions. Hostagile collection, a celebration of cozy autumn. The Hostagile collection embodies everything we love about autumn: warm colors, cozy fabrics, and playful seasonal decor. With this line, IKEA embraces the festive and nostalgic vibe of the season, making it easy to transition your home for fall gatherings, dinners, and Halloween. Key products in the Hostagile collection. Glass pumpkin bowl with lid. This elegant pumpkin-shaped glass bowl is the perfect autumn accent. It can be used to store small trinkets or filled with decorative string lights for an inviting ambience. Its design blends the classic seasonal motif with modern, transparent glass, making it both timeless and versatile. Side plates in mixed colors. Autumnal hues like orange, purple, and gold are reimagined in soft, muted tones. These colorful side plates add a touch of elegance to your fall table, perfect for a family dinner or Thanksgiving gathering. Their wavy edges make them feel fun and festive, bringing a sense of whimsy to any meal. Decorative pumpkins, set of 5. Decorative pumpkins are a fall must-have, and this set of 5 offers a vibrant range of colors to complement any fall decor scheme. Use them to accent a mantle, bookshelf, or tablescape, or scatter them around your home to bring a burst of autumn cheer to every room. Bat motif doormat. Halloween wouldn't be complete without a bit of spooky flair, and the bat motif doormat is a great way to add it. With a subtle bat design, this mat is perfect for the season, while being neutral enough to complement any exterior decor. Black decorative tray. This sleek black tray is a versatile piece for any room. It can be styled with autumn decor such as candles, small pumpkins, or string lights. It works well on a coffee table, entryway, or even as a decorative centerpiece for a fall dinner party. Orange dish towel. A simple yet effective way to bring fall vibes into your kitchen, this orange dish towel with playful patterns is a great seasonal addition. Whether draped over your oven handle or used as part of a tablescape, it adds a pop of color and warmth to your kitchen decor. Black and white striped cushion. Bold black and white stripes are a timeless design element, and this cushion can easily transition from season to season. It evokes Halloween spirit when styled with autumnal accessories and is a subtle nod to classic fall imagery. Patterned storage box with lid. These storage boxes feature playful patterns and colors, making them a great addition to your fall organizational efforts. They can be displayed on open shelving or used in your closet to bring a fun, seasonal touch to everyday organization. Fire collection. The perfect blend of function and festivity. Whereas Hostagile focuses on seasonal decor, the Fire collection is all about coziness and functionality. Featuring soft textiles, nature-inspired designs, and multifunctional furniture, this collection is ideal for creating a home that feels warm, inviting, and ready for the cold months ahead. Key products in the Fire collection. Reversible duvet set, Ormangsfly. With its geometric pattern and rustic tones, the Ormangsfly duvet set offers 2 looks in one, allowing you to switch up your bedroom decor with ease. The decorative ties and reversible design make this an easy way to refresh your bedding for fall while maintaining a warm, cozy atmosphere. Tarnaby table lamp. This small yet impactful lamp adds a retro touch to any room. Its soft lighting creates a cozy ambiance perfect for dark, chilly fall evenings. The Tarnaby lamp is especially suited for smaller spaces, such as bedside tables or reading nooks. Moss Niklar cushion cover. Made from durable cotton, this cushion cover's design is inspired by traditional Swedish weaving techniques. The intricate pattern and sturdy edge stitching make it a standout piece that pairs easily with other soft textiles in the collection. Its rustic feel fits perfectly with fall decor, offering a comfortable and welcoming vibe to any seating area. Lindakra Sofa Bed. This multifunctional sofa bed is a great example of IKEA's ability to combine style and functionality. With oversized cushions for maximum comfort, the Lindakra sofa bed is perfect for lounging during the day and can easily convert into a bed for overnight guests. The under-seat storage and movable poof offer additional versatility, allowing it to fit seamlessly into a modern, multifunctional living space. Valtorp Footstool and Storage Bench. This footstool is as practical as it is stylish. It serves as a comfortable place to rest your feet, extra seating, or even a storage solution. The Valtorp is perfect for small spaces where furniture must be multifunctional. Whether placed at the end of a bed or used in a hallway, it's both practical and chic. Glamberget Pull-Out Bed. Ideal for compact living, the Glamberget bed is designed as a single bed but can easily pull out to become a double. It's perfect for guest rooms, small apartments, or anyone in need of a space-saving solution. Slangold Mall Duvet Cover. With a wildflower pattern on a deep green background, this nature-inspired duvet cover brings the outdoors in. Made from a cotton and viscose blend, the Slangold Mall is soft, breathable, and perfect for staying comfortable throughout fall and winter nights. Clipoxal Throw. Soft and inviting, the Clipoxal Throw is the perfect accessory for chilly fall days. Drape it over your sofa or chair for an extra layer of warmth and texture, making your space feel even cozier. Other notable fall 2024 releases. Beyond the Hostagile and Kustfir collections, IKEA's fall 2024 range includes plenty of other exciting pieces designed to elevate both small and large spaces alike. Resaro Multifunctional Table. Designed for small spaces, this table offers storage solutions and can function as both a workspace and a dining table. It's perfect for urban dwellers who need furniture that works around the clock. Set Yarno Bed Frame. This minimalist bed frame is ideal for a modern, streamlined bedroom design. Its clean lines and simple design make it easy to pair with other IKEA pieces, including the seasonal duvet covers and throws introduced in this collection. Slanhost Mall Duvet. A part of IKEA's eco-friendly line, the Slanhost Mall Duvet cover comes in a bold mustard hue, perfect for adding a touch of vibrancy to your fall bedroom decor. Made with sustainable materials, it's an excellent option for those who value both design and environmental consciousness. IKEA's Fall 2024 collection masterfully combines the warmth and festive spirit of autumn with the brand's trademark functionality and affordability. From seasonal decor that adds charm to your home to multifunctional furniture perfect for modern living, the collection has something for everyone. Whether you're hosting family gatherings, decorating for Halloween, or simply looking to refresh your space for fall, IKEA's newest offerings make it easy to embrace the season. If you want more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.